I am Beck Astley-Clark and I'm here today in Florence at the Italian Collector Bottega, which is our small by-appointment gallery in the centre of Florence. I'm here to show 1stDibs some of my favourite pieces and show you around the gallery. It's a Sommerso Murano glass vase, Flavio Poli 1960, the red molten glass submerged immediately in the yellow. This is a 1960s Murano glass chandelier. We found it in a restaurant in Padova. It's made of, I think, around 300 pieces of Murano glass. École Barovier, 1945. This is a published piece. It has a wonderful iridescence to it and many tiny air bubbles where it's been hand blown. This is an amazing palazzo sofa. We found it in disrepair in a palazzo in Naples, and we've restored it here in Florence and brought it back to life. This piece is Loredano Rosin, 1960s. It's Murano glass. It's incredibly heavy, but it is signed on the base. I love this one, Il Tuffatore, it's the diver.